What's going on, guys? We are in Pinellas Park. I don't know if you can see that, Jungle Gym Ninja. I got Sonny here with me. He's been here on this leak. Sonny, what did you know when you got called in on this thing?
Well, the first thing that we got a phone call about was water was showing up underneath the mat in a part of the gym.
What is it, like a big kids playground?
It's a huge little Ninja Warrior gym for kids.
Cool, man. Do you want to go in and show us what you got?
Oh, absolutely.
All right, let's go take
a look.
Cool.
So here we are at the entrance of the gym.
This place is pretty cool.
Oh,
I hear
cool.
kids in here.
So this is where the kids graduate to once they've passed the course. Over here, this is to the right, and then to the left where the leak is, this is where all the kids start off.
Oh,
at.
this room was flooded out?
This room is entirely flooded out.
All right, guys, I'm here with Jason. Jason is?
I'm the owner of Jungle Gym.
Yep, and I want to know, so Jason's here, he had this leak. So Jason, walk us through what you saw. Let me turn the camera around, buddy.
Yeah, coaches told me, they called me yesterday morning, they said the carpet's wet. I'm like, okay, it's gotta be a roof leak. I'll come over and fix it. Came over, it definitely wasn't a roof leak. So, but one of the coaches knew at that point, he said, I think it's coming from the ground. So we rolled up all the flooring, shop vac everything, dried it all up, but we still had classes scheduled. So even with water still coming up through the concrete, we rolled all the flooring back down. It was dry enough for class for several hours. As soon as class was over, the coaches started rolling it up and had to dry it all out again.
Wow.
And you guys were out this morning.
Awesome, man. All right, we'll get your leak found for you, buddy.
All right, appreciate it.
Thank you, man.
Rob, do you enjoy digging for leaks?
Yes, sir.
Do you?
As you can see.
Looks like you got the leak found. What you got, man?
Yes, sir. It's on a 1-inch copper 90 fitting.
Yep.
And we usually don't see this on the ground.
Not the hard fittings like that. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Nice find, man.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, this place is pretty cool. It's the Jungle Gym. We're going to get this thing wrapped up so he can get his kids back in here and get them going to town. If you have a leak, give us a call.